It only takes a few minutes to learn to crochet. Rose triangle scarf. And only double crochet stitches and chain stitches are used. Let's crochet together with the tutorial. We use Hue's yarn, short-haired rabbit and children's cotton. First, we start in a circular manner. Bring the thread through and chain 1 stitch. Then we stand up 3 double crochet stitches. These 3 double crochet stitches are considered as 1 double crochet stitch. Then in this loop, hook 3 double crochet stitches. After hooking 3 double crochet stitches, chain 2 stitches. Then in this loop, then hook 3 double crochet stitches. After hooking, chain 1 stitch, and then hook another double crochet stitch. The first round is done. Tighten the loop. A small triangle has been formed. Then we crochet the second round. First, chain 3 stitches, which is also considered as a double crochet stitch. Then chain 1 stitch. We'll crochet 3 double crochet stitches. We crochet 3 double crochet stitches. We return to this pointed corner. The pattern of this pointed corner is always the same. It's in this pointed corner. 3 double crochet stitches. Then 2 chain stitches. Continue with 3 double crochet stitches. After hooking, we chain 1 stitch and go back to this small hole here. We'll crochet 3 double crochet stitches here. After hooking, chain 1 stitch, as we just said. The 3 standing stitches, which counts as a double crochet stitch. We insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch, and then hook a double crochet stitch. This is the pattern of the second round. Next, we crochet the 3rd round. In the same way, it also repeats the pattern of the second round. First, hook 3 chain stitches, which is a double crochet stitch. Then we chain 1 stitch. Okay, turn the fabric. First, hook 3 double crochet stitches in this hole. After hooking, chain 1 stitch. Back to this hole. In this hole, we also hook 3 double crochet stitches, and then 1 chain stitch. Then we go back to the triangle. This is the top corner. Position. Its pattern has also been mentioned, which is 3 double crochet stitches and 2 chaining stitches. Its pattern remains the same in every round. At the position of the top angle, start to hook the pattern of the 2 small holes, 1 chain stitch. Then, in this hole, hook 3 double crochet stitches, 1 slip stitch. After hooking, chain 1 stitch. The place of 3 chain stitches. At the 3rd chain stitch, we hook a double crochet stitch. This completes the 3rd round. Let me explain this rule to you. In this diagram, the pattern of the top corner remains unchanged. Always hook 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chain stitches. After each round is completed, there will be 1 more hole on the side. The pattern in this hole is always 1 slip stitch. Then follow this pattern until you reach the desired size. When we reach the desired size, we start to crochet the lace. Turn the fabric over. In the first hole, we hook a single crochet stitch. And in the second hole, we hook 7 double crochet stitches. After hooking 7 double crochet stitches, Just follow a single crochet stitch group. This double crochet stitch is finished until we reach the last hole on this side, the last hole. After the lace is finished, continue to make a standing stitch. The number of the ribbons is not fixed, depending on your head circumference. After hooking the ribbon, we wind the thread. Insert the hook into the third last stitch. Hook 3 incomplete double crochet stitches. Then wind the thread through the double crochet stitches. Finally, wind the thread through these 2 loops, then chain 3 stitches. Return here to pull the ribbon. This small decoration is completed. The other side is the same. We'll sew it here. Then the main body of the triangle scarf. We are done.